Hi guys, it's Jodie. Before we get started with today's video, I'd like to give a special shout out to Bromstayer for giving me a super thanks. Thank you so much, girl. I see you. I know you've been a long time subscriber, so that really means a lot to me. So thank you so much. So now, with today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different today. We're not going to be doing any painting. I'm kind of doing a recap. I've actually kind of put a collaboration together of pieces that I have already done. I used to do some videos, where are they now and how they turned out, how, I finished them. So it's kind of similar. I've added a little bit of clip of how they were made and then the finished piece as well. And something all of these have in common is they're all actually still in my Etsy shop for sale. So I'm just pimping myself out a little bit. So if you feel a nudge to look and scope it out, but I really just also wanted to just put them all in one place, and I really had so much fun putting this video together. So with each video, I mean, it kind of goes pretty fast. This video isn't long, but I did add the video number to the full length video. If you haven't seen it, you want to check it out, you want to see what I used, it'll be in that full length video. And I'll have all the links to all these videos, all these pieces in the description box below. And if anybody's interested in purchasing any of them, you can go to my website, thepainteddreamer.com, and my shop is there as well. So without further ado, let's go get started and check out all these pieces. back. I just wanted to come on here and thank you all so much for being here. All the new people that are here, thank you so much for subscribing and coming to view my channel. I teach what you see here. I teach it on my channel here, and all of you that have stuck around through since the beginning, in the middle, and was hoping I would come back, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am just so glad that you're here with me, and I can't wait to see what comes in the future in this channel, and me painting and maybe doing other forms of art on here as well. I'm really excited to see that. And again, if anyone's interested in any of these pieces, you can go to my website, thepainteddreamer.com, and it'll take you to my shop, and all these pieces as of my recording today are still available. And if you want to check out any of these pieces, how they were made, what they were used, all of the links to the actual full-length videos are going to be in the description box below. So with that, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys at the next video.